Welcome to another Dependable Concrete video. Today, we're featuring a basement restoration project in the East Falls neighborhood of Philadelphia, where we transformed a dark, dusty basement with cracked and peeling walls into a clean, bright, and dust-free space built to last. For this job, we cemented the walls, resurfaced the concrete floor, and finished with a fresh coat of paint on both the walls and floor.
Okay.
All right, come on downstairs to the beautiful basement. Okay, so here's the basement.
Okay, so now, did you ever see any of my work, my videos?
I've seen your videos.
Sometimes you got rodents, bugs, and things like that, you know?
Yeah.
And then we come in and put a stop to that. Okay. And then, of course, if you see on the videos, we wrap everything nice.
Yeah.
With plastic.
Yeah.
Okay? But what I would also suggest is maybe doing an overlay on the floor. Mm-hmm. Okay, do the floors. You don't have to take the whole floor out. The floor is fine. Okay? But you see these areas here, the bubble?
Yep. Yeah.
So really all you got to do is just cut this one section out. Right up in here. You see? Mm-hmm. And just pour a little cement here, flatten it all out. All right? Get this area flat. Put a thin layer of cement over the whole floor. And if you saw on the video, you saw how our floors end up looking.
Yeah, that would look lovely.
Yeah, yeah. You see?
What do we, all our stuff that's in here?
Okay, well this is how we handle that. Anything that you don't want, we haul it out for you.
Okay.
Okay, because we have a truck, we just take it to the dump. Now, anything that you do want, of course what we do is we just put it in the middle of the floor, okay? And then we wrap it with plastic.
Okay.
And then we have access to the walls, and when we're all finished, put everything back.
Okay.
Question I do have, is this necessary to do?
Well, this is the thing. I mean, if you had deteriorating foundation walls, I would suggest to do it. Dust-free, rodent-free, pest-free.
Yeah.
That would be nice.
Okay.
As you can see, these basement walls are layered with dust, the paint is peeling in large patches, and the overall appearance is unsightly. Cracks and discoloration add to the neglected look, giving the space a damp and unwelcoming feel. It's clear the walls haven't been maintained for quite some time, making the basement unpleasant when it's time to do laundry or store personal belongings. Left in this condition, the space can even attract pests and rodents. A basement should be a place you enter without worrying about cobwebs, the smell of mildew, or unwanted critters. Before we begin cementing the basement walls, we carefully move all items away from the edges and place them neatly in the center of the room. This keeps your belongings safe and gives us full, unobstructed access to every wall. Prepping the walls is one of the most critical steps in ensuring a durable, long-lasting finish. Dust, peeling paint, and loose material can prevent cement from bonding properly, which may lead to cracking and weakening over time. Dependable uses state-of-the-art equipment to get the job done efficiently and with precision. While most companies still rely on traditional methods, hand troweling cement onto the walls, our advanced technique allows us to cover large areas quickly and evenly. The result is a smoother finish, faster turnaround, and a stronger bond, making our process clearly superior. Working alongside the sprayer operator, another member of our team follows closely behind to smooth and flatten the cement, ensuring an even, professional finish. Before applying cement to the walls, we take extra care to protect important elements such as electrical boxes, pipes, windows, and wiring from any splatter. This precaution ensures that these critical components remain safe and unaffected throughout the process, giving you peace of mind while we focus on delivering a flawless finish. In our process, we spray several layers of cement to keep the walls strong and prevent cracks. The first layer, sometimes called the scratch coat, flattens the wall and creates a solid base for the next coats. This step is key to making sure the walls stay strong and last for years. We first apply a bonding glue to every surface before spraying the cement. The glue helps the cement stick firmly to the wall, creating a stronger hold and reducing the chances of cracks or separation over time. After applying the first coat of cement, we scratch the surface to create small grooves. These grooves are important because they give the next coat something to grip onto. Without this step, the second layer might not bond as well, which could weaken the wall over time. By taking the time to scratch the first coat, we make sure the next coat sticks properly and the wall stays strong. As you can see, our technique really shines when spraying cement around pipes and other obstacles. This ensures that every damaged or exposed area on the walls is completely sealed and protected. Unlike many contractors who simply promise to fill every gap and crack, Dependable Concrete has the equipment to get it done right. Our process seals even the toughest holes, including the gaps between floor joists, a common entry point for rodents and insects. With our method, you can be confident your basement is fully protected. For our mix, we use 3 parts sand to 1 part mortar cement. We also blend fiberglass into the cement for added reinforcement, which makes the walls stronger and more resistant to cracking. Cementing basement walls can be done in all types of weather, which means our team works year-round. We've been transforming basements throughout Philadelphia and the surrounding areas, turning damp, dusty, and damaged spaces into clean, solid, and usable rooms. This is the laundry area. As you'll see at the end of the video, our client will be able to enjoy a clean, dust-free space where clothes stay fresh without the worry of dirt or debris. For even coverage, we use a 1-inch nap roller when applying the bonding glue. This type of roller spreads the glue evenly and works it into small surface textures, ensuring a strong bond for the cement that follows. Dependable Concrete is committed to delivering results that last for years. We stand firmly behind our work and take pride in ensuring every customer enjoys a basement they can trust and be satisfied with well into the future. We're basement repair specialists, and we also do waterproofing. Check out our other videos to see how we tackle waterproofing projects and protect basements from leaks. At this stage, the first coat has been applied to all the basement walls and carefully scratched. We then apply bonding glue to that surface, a step many contractors skip. This ensures the next coat adheres firmly, maximizing strength and guaranteeing a long-lasting finish. Some contractors try to talk customers into adding wire mesh to basement walls, claiming it helps reinforce the cement and makes it stick better. In reality, this is not a good idea. Wire lath has small, diamond-shaped holes that actually block the cement from passing through. This prevents the material from properly filling deep pockets and holes in the wall, leaving behind weak spots instead of a solid seal. Our technique creates a solid seal for your basement walls with no hollow areas left behind. Remember, your basement walls are the foundation walls of your entire home. The only way to truly reinforce them is by completely filling every void and crack. And that's exactly what our method is designed to do. Our goal is to make your basement walls as flat and smooth as the walls on your first and second floors. This usually requires at least 2 applications of cement. We use a spray machine to spread the cement evenly across the wall, creating a consistent finish. At the end of the video, I'll show you how we paint the walls to give them a look similar to drywall. Just like the walls, we spray 2 coats of cement between the floor joists. This thoroughly seals all cracks and voids, and I want to again emphasize how important this step is for keeping out rodents and insects. We're making great progress and are now approaching the final stages of this project. The cement has now dried enough for us to apply the sponge finish. This step flattens the surface and creates a smooth texture. The goal is to make these walls look as close as possible to the walls upstairs, so the basement feels just as comfortable and familiar as the other areas of your home. Unlike some contractors, Dependable Concrete doesn't cut corners. We take the time to finish every area, including behind meters, pipes, wires, and heaters, so your basement has a truly complete look. Most importantly, we make sure every hole and gap is sealed to keep out unwanted pests. Dependable Concrete applies 2 coats of high-quality, ultra-white Sherwin-Williams elastomeric waterproofing paint such as Loxone. This paint is made specifically for basement walls to resist wear and tear while providing long-lasting protection against moisture and dust. We use a sprayer for consistent coverage, efficiency, and precision, especially in hard-to-reach areas like cracks and crevices, delivering a professional finish that rolling or brushing can miss. The ultra-white color is chosen for its high light reflective value, which helps brighten dark basements by reflecting more light and transforming them into cleaner, more comfortable spaces. With the walls complete, we move on to resurfacing the basement floor. We start by cleaning and repairing the surface so the new cement bonds properly for a strong, long-lasting finish. Next, we apply bonding glue and spread self-leveling cement across the floor, creating a smooth, even surface that's ready for paint. Resurfacing is a smart, budget-friendly alternative to fully replacing your concrete floor. It saves money while still giving you a strong, smooth, and refreshed surface, without the cost and hassle of a complete replacement. And finally, we apply 2 coats of high-traffic floor paint, giving your basement floor maximum durability and a clean, long-lasting finish. Painting the floor is also an important step in reducing dust, making your basement easier to clean and more comfortable to use. At Dependable Concrete, our goal is to give you a basement that is clean and built to last. From restoring the walls to resurfacing and painting the floors, we never cut corners. We take the time to do the job right. Our process seals cracks and gaps that often serve as entry points for rodents and insects, giving you lasting protection and peace of mind. The result is a brighter, dust-free space that feels just as comfortable as the rest of your home. Our customers tell us they feel relieved and confident knowing their basement is finally a safe, clean space they can enjoy.
If you liked this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop us a comment. We'd love to hear what you think. Stick around. Our next project is right around the corner, and we can't wait to show you.